had was the environment. Then we did the 3 stills for the environment. We did the instructional piece. This is a video. And then we did the character, and that was a still. So everything has been a still so far except for the instructional piece. That was the only video we've done. So what we're going to do is I'm going to take these pieces and just drag them into After Effects. Okay? So this is how you're making your demo reel. This is as easy as it gets. You grab them in the order. So product, and then the 3 environments, then the instructional, then the character. And then we drag that onto our stuff. Now you could also put in here too, if you wanted to, your challenges. If you want to put your challenge images in there too, you could throw those in there too. I'm not too concerned with those ones as much. So drop that onto the new comp. It's going to say you have a single composition, which we do. Where do you want to use the dimensions from? So you should use them from your instructional, because that's at a regular like 960 by 540 resolution. It's not a crazy 2400 by 3000 resolution. Okay, so use that instructional piece. All your stills should be on screen for about 2 seconds. We're going to sequence the layers, and then we just no overlap and hit OK. And so then what this is doing is it puts everything in order. So the same order I selected them in, that's the order it puts it in. So now we have all of these. Okay, that's it. Now we go through and we play it. We make sure that the stills are showing up. Remember that some of the stills were pretty big, so we need to shrink them down. So we would go to a still that needs to be shrunk down. We would hit S, and then we would scale it to the appropriate size until it fits within this composition. Even if there's black stuff on the left and right, I don't care, as long as it fits within this. Okay. Don't distort it. Like, don't just grab this and go, I'm going to get this to fit whatever. I want you just to use the scaler here and just scale it up so that it doesn't. You lose easy points by scaling it wrong. You lose easy points by having a bunch of black space. Like if you do your movie, you go to the end of your instructional and there's 5 or 10 seconds of just blackness there, you lose points for that too. You lose points for not putting stuff inside here. So don't do that. That's easy points. This is probably the easiest assignment, or should be the easiest assignment we've had. Alright, so once you have all that stuff set up, then you just go to export and you add it to the render queue. Under lossless, we make it a QuickTime. We make it an H.264. Okay, H.264. We go to our instructional movie here, and you're going to call this your last name underscore DemoReel underscore 2520 underscore W16. That way I know whose it is, I know what it is, I know what class it's for, and I know what semester it is. Okay? That way everything's nice and organized. Again, easy ways to lose points if you don't name your stuff the correct way to name your stuff. It's easy to do. And then we hit render, and then it's going to go ahead and make the movie. Okay? That's it. That's all you have to do for the demo reel. That's it. You take your 5 projects that we've done, throw them into this, and you got your movie. Okay? Any questions on the demo reel creation?